What's up, YouTube? Got a package in the mail today from SANGIN Instruments. It's a Overlord watch in the DLC finish. Just gonna open this up here, do a quick unboxing of it. So you can see it comes in this case, similar to like those military tough boxes you see for some types of equipment. It's got the SANGIN logo on the outside. Little strap, alright, and when we open it up, alright, see a little bit of the foam padding, space for another watch here on the left. Obviously the Overlord watch with the nylon strap. Here's the warranty information card. As you can see there, through a year. Just the back side of it. And set that off to the side. Here's the test measurements saying it all turned out okay, out the 10 bar. Okay, alright. The piece we've all been waiting for. So here's the Overlord in the DLC finish. You can see it there on the watch bezel. Very nice. Little nylon strap. It's got a logo there on the clasp of the watch. Very cool. You can see the stitching here on the nylon strap. There's the watch face. You can see the SANGIN logo there at the bottom. You can see the movement of the watch as well. Alright. And there's the rest of the strap. Okay. And then it looks like it's got some pins here for other straps. Just keep that there in the case for now. Yeah, but the case width on this watch is 40 millimeters. The case length is 48. Let's see there. Real simple, beautiful watch from SANGIN here. The case thickness, you can see, is 11 millimeters. And the case is stainless steel with the DLC finish again. The crystal on the Overlord is a double dome sapphire crystal, you can see there. And it's got a multi-layer blue anti-reflective coating applied to the interior surface of the crystal. And then it's also luminous, so in the dark, the material they deem super luminova on the dial will glow. I'll show you that here in a sec. I'll hit the light so it highlights that neat feature on it. The Overlord DLC from SANGIN is also water resistant out to 200 meters. The movement of the watch, see there's a Swiss Ronda quartz movement. And then back to the strap again. It ships with this wonderful Zulu Alpha strap made of nylon. Right, so Zulu Alpha being a company that makes straps for SANGIN, some SANGIN watches that you can pick up from their site. Yeah, but there's a quick unboxing of the SANGIN Instruments Overlord DLC finish. Glad this watch came in. It's absolutely stunning in person. It's good to sign up on their list and then just be ready for the drop, because they do sell out very, very quickly. Yeah, there's another view of it. Just moving it left and right so you can see the aspect of it. And then let's move into a darker area of the house, and then we can show you the luminescence. I'm gonna hit the light here, cover it up right quick so it goes away. Not covering up the camera too much. Let's see if I can get it to work. Probably not. Yeah, it's got like the flash on for the video, but you can see it glows at night under limited visibility conditions. The bezel will be bright enough for you to see all the numbers and quickly reference time. But yeah, there's the SANGIN Instruments DLC. Just a quick unboxing in case you're interested in picking up one of these watches. It's stunning. It really is. It's a nice looking watch here. Wow. All right, I'll end it there. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Just let me know. I'll try my best to answer. That's all I got. Thanks.